I have the standard track profiles in my hand. This time, I'd like to introduce you the stack profile roll forming machine, the C profile roll forming machine here. If you are also interested in this roll forming machine, follow me to see more details about this production line. I'm standing at the beginning of the production line. This is a manual decoiler for the small steel strip. The manual decoiler is enough. Here we have the feeding part. The hand wheels with digitals show the center line easily, the center line of the machine easily when the customer produces different size of the profile. This roller is to make the embossment. After this roller, the surface, the steel surface, has the embossing spots. And you can see working stations has the spacers like this one. It helps the customer to produce different size. You put this spacer inside two rollers, you make a bigger size. You put this one inside, you make the biggest size. So this one machine can produce 3 sizes. These rollers, after these rollers, you can get a small rib on the height of the profile. This can make the profile stronger and has a better resistance during the work. It is a very common design in the profile drawings. Now the machine is run in the automatic mode. The working speed is 9.5 meters per minute with perforations. The computer can calculate the working speed with perforation automatically by the computer inside. Now we set 4 punch holes in one piece, and the length is 3050 millimeters long. That's all about the standard production line. That's all details. If you are also interested in this machine, please feel free to contact with Linbay Machinery. We guarantee you that when you receive the machine, it is well adjusted, and we offer you very detailed installation video and instruction books in English, so you can use and start production with our machine immediately. Linbay Machinery offers you a best roll forming machine with a wonderful service. We will be always online to give you technical support. See you next time. Bye bye.